In this video, I will show you how to create a WinPE Bootable USB drive using Microsoft's official tools. We will download the Windows AD install the Windows PE add-on, create the WinPE working environment, and finally make the USB drive bootable. Let's get started. First, we need the Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit, also known as Windows AD. I'm using Microsoft's official documentation to download the required files. This tool provides the deployment tools we need to create our WinPE media. The installer is ready. I will keep the default installation location and continue. Here we can select the features we want to install. For creating WinPE media, the important component here is deployment tools. I will keep the requirement deployment component selected and continue with the installation. The Windows PE add-on is installed separately from the Windows AD key. I will install a Windows PA component and continue. Now we will use the deployment and imagining tools environment as administrator. This gives us access to the commands required to create our WinPE working files. Next, we will create a WinPE working directory for 64-bit systems. I will create the working files in C. The files are now being prepared. The WinPE working directory has been successfully created. Now we will create the bootable WinPE USB drive. In many cases, the USB drive is assigned the letter fee. Before continuing, make sure you've selected the correct USB drive because the process will erase the data on it. Now the WinPE media creation process is starting, the USB drive is being formatted, the boot code is being configured, and the WinPE files are being copied. I will wait for the process to finish. The process has completed successfully. Our USB drive is now bootable and contains the Windows PE environment. Let's quickly check the USB drive. We can see the WinPE files and folders has been copied to the USB drive. This confirms that the media was created successfully. Now let's boot the computer from the USB drive. Windows PE has started successfully. As you can see, the standard WinPE environment starts with a command prompt rather than the normal Windows desktop. WinPE is a lightweight Windows environment designed for deployment, recovery, troubleshooting, and system maintenance. It can be used by techniques to diagnose Windows problems, work with disks and partitions, and perform various recovery and maintenance tasks. It's not designed to replace the normal Windows desktop. And that's it. We've successfully created and tested our WinPE Bootable USB drive. In this video, we used Microsoft's official Windows AD key and Windows P add-on to create the USB media. In the next video, we will look at how WinPE can be customized with a graphical desktop environment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.